Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DealCheck to verify property details before underwriting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable DealCheck for verifying property details, start by launching the DealCheck application or accessing the website. Log into your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see various options. Select the Properties tab from the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Add Property to input a new property's details. Enter the property address in the provided field and ensure it's accurate. After entering the address, click on Search to let DealCheck pull up the property's information. Review the information that DealCheck retrieves, including recent sales, property details, and market trends. If needed, manually adjust any details that are incorrect or incomplete. Next, click on the Verify button to validate the property's information. DealCheck will cross-reference the data with reliable real estate databases for accuracy. Wait for a few moments while the verification process is ongoing. Once completed, the app will display a verification status for the property. If the status is green, this indicates that the property details are verified successfully. For additional insights, explore the Market Analysis feature to understand neighborhood trends. If any discrepancies are found, consider researching further or adjusting your data before underwriting. Finally, save the verified property details to your portfolio for future reference. This process not only provides you peace of mind but also enhances your underwriting accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.